Hey guys, how's it going? We're just chilling here at Jacomo, and I'm flying planes. Got a new plane, Viper. Put 3 flights on it so far, liking it. I got this, got some pretty high rates on it now. And I took the nose weight out. Got 150 grams of steel in there that I took out. It's a lot more flippy now. Yeah, this is my new EDF. It's a Viper 90 from E-Flight. Let's just do a couple quick flights before I head home. So you can do backflips now, which was much more difficult with all that weight in there. Gyro has been off this whole time, I didn't even notice. You keep that elevator up. It had some ground handling. Alright, I don't know if you heard that, but the gyro was off the entire time right until the landing. I turned it on. I didn't even notice except for right as I was about to land, and I noticed it was kind of feeling weird, but I didn't notice before that. Anyway, I'm going to fly this real quick and then one more on the Ultimate again. Just if you're curious, I got the SR10 Plus, the stabilized 10 channel receiver. And then in here, there's the R9SX. It's behind this, you can't see it, but going as S-Bus into the SR10 Plus. So I've got dual receivers. I've got an airspeed sensor, pitot tube, which I think is clogged with dirt because this was on the MiG that I got, MiG 29, and it had a rough landing and went into the mud. And I think this got a little mud in it because it's reading slower than I think it should be, because the GPS said 105 miles an hour and the airspeed indicator only said 80, so I think it's probably got a partial clog. Anyway, let's go fly this real quick. Forgot to mention, I have a RC Light Systems telemetry converter in there, which converts the Spectrum Avian ESC that comes with this into something that this can read. It converts to S port and control is over S bus. And so I have on these screens I have voltage, current, power, and temperature is available also. I don't have it on a screen, but got ESC temperature, battery consumption, which is on the main screen, remaining percentage. I'm still using my timer for right now, just to be safe, because you know, it's a new jet, and I also want to make sure that the milliamp is accurate before I actually rely on it. But anyway, let's go fly this thing. Yeah, there's absolutely no wind right now, so whatever my GPS says the speed is, that's probably what the speed is. I'm waiting for a friend to bring a Spectrum ESC programmer so that I can turn on reverse throttle, which that telemetry converter can give me as like a brake. So it's gonna give her some flaps.
Flaps 1. Gear down, gear down.
And
Flaps up, gear up.
these batteries are really bad. They're Zeee, and they cannot provide the amps that this jet wants. Do a speed pass. It's like that is definitely more than 80 miles an hour.
3 minutes.
I've also noticed that there's a lot of throttle lag on this. I'm not sure if that's the telemetry converter or if that's just how the Spectrum ESC is, but I'm not a fan. I don't know if you can hear it in the video, but I pegged the throttle and it takes a second for it to respond. It's kind of weird. I'll do it again here in a sec. I think you'll probably hear that click from the gimbal that time. Probably gonna pick up some SMC, maybe 5800 milliamp. This should do a lot better.
One minute and 30 seconds. 85.2 miles per hour.
See, that's the max reading on the airspeed indicator, and I know that's not accurate. Prepare for landing.
Flaps 1. Gear down. Seconds. Flaps 2.
So I've got, I don't know if you can see it, one second. As per recommendation from my friend Andrew, I put crow in, so my ailerons rise up. Keeps rolling down the hill. My ailerons come up a little bit with the flaps, so.
Flaps 1, flaps up, flaps 1, flaps 2, flaps
You can see there. And when the flaps are deployed on landing, to give myself some extra aileron control, I've also got tailerons. It just makes it a little easier to control on landing, from what I've been told. And I mean, it seems to be, so I guess it works. So I'm not going to record the last flight of the Ultimate, but I just wanted to show you my new airplane and get a couple more flights on it before I head home. I'll be back here in a couple days, but anyway, that'll be all. I'll see you next time. Yeah, so airspeed only shows 85, but then GPS has 112, and there's pretty much no wind, so that's probably plus or minus 3 or 5 degrees, or miles per hour max, so yeah, something's not right with that sensor.